Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to grab data about end user devices, basically, about browsers especially. And the thing is extremely simple. It's so simple that it's almost security scary. So let's type that. Document, right, and we're gonna grab navigator here. Using a navigator, well, that means that you wanna grab as much details about your end user as you can. So the first thing is, what is the generic name of their browsers? So to do that, we're gonna type up code name, and this thing is totally generic, so it is not important because I'm using here Chrome. Still I will get Mozilla as a result, and that's, as I said, totally generic. Right, but over time we will learn how to be more accurate. So let's grab product here. So basically that's engine of our browser, and that will be pretty much accurate. Gecko, okay. After that, let's grab version of browser. So up version, and the result will be, well, that's a lot of information. So JavaScript is extremely nice language when you want to grab these kind of stuff. And of course you can do that with PHP, but knowing that you can get this stuff in a one line is really, really scary. Because these things can be used looking from perspective of bad guys in so many ways. So anyway, the next thing is, let's grab full data about user agent, about browser. And to do that, we're gonna say navigator.user agent, and check this out. A lot of stuff here we see. So basically I'm using Windows machine 10 64-bit version, and Gecko and Chrome, so that's very, very accurate. It's almost scary. So if you want to extract for some statistical purposes or something, platform or just OS that your user is using, well, then you need to say platform, and the result will be Windows 32, which is pretty much accurate, but it is important to know that here we are dealing with Windows. Okay, so after that you can structure your further requests correspondingly. So language, what is the default language? Language, refresh, English United States. And is everything fine with the connection? Well, how to do that, how to grab that stuff? Do we have actually connection or not? So either true or false. You will say online, and that will give you two possible options. So true, that means that everything is fine with actual connection. So now when we have these fancy scary stuff, let's, for example, send some message to user like alert, something scary. I know what you did last summer, and we will concatenate that with navigator and user agent. Man, this is awesome. So I don't want to confuse me with all these options. So when end user visit your page, your website, whatever, or even your intranet, the message they will be presented with is this. And this is very, very scary. Well, at least if you are a complete beginner. So let's say you have a new colleague in your company, he or she, they don't know too much about IT or programming or security, and when you first time send them this kind of page, they can say, oh my god, in what kind of company I ended up. And there is so many other scenarios, I don't want to even get into that. So that's pretty much it, how you can grab end user data, and this is just the surface. So I don't want to go to more than 40 tutorials about JavaScript in this first playlist. There will be probably other tutorials, not just about JavaScript, but also about many other programming languages. And also I'm gonna do comparison between languages and how you can call one language with another and reverse and so on. So how to use one language to provide some kind of report and then use that report as an input for another language. But anyway, guys, I think that we did a really good job in the last couple of weeks. 40 tutorials is pretty much a lot to digest, and I think that right now you have really good base to go on your own in exploration about JavaScript. So I definitely need to have a couple of days off. I need to eat something, drink something, and sleep a little bit. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. See you in one of the next playlists. And I think that I'm gonna start with the C++ after I took a couple of days off. Right. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being with me all this time. Thank you for support and subscription. And see ya probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I don't know. Thank you for watching. See ya in next playlist.